What if I told you that goats, one of the toughest animals on the planet, can thrive even in the harshest conditions if you know their secrets? Why do some farmers succeed while others struggle? In this video, we'll uncover the hidden strategies that experts often don't share. From choosing the right breeds to creating a survival-ready setup, you'll learn everything you need to raise resilient, healthy goats anywhere. Why goats? Nature's survival experts. Goats are some of the most adaptable livestock you can raise. Their ability to forage on rugged terrain, eat a wide variety of plants, and endure extreme climates makes them perfect for challenging environments. But don't let their resilience fool you. Raising goats still requires careful planning and knowledge. Let's dive into what makes goats such excellent survivors and how you can set them up for success in even the toughest conditions. Choosing the right breeds. Selecting the right breed is essential for successful goat farming in harsh conditions. In hot climates, Boer goats are a great choice due to their heat tolerance and hardiness. Kalahari Reds, another heat-resistant breed, thrive in dry environments and can endure minimal water sources. For cold climates, Nigerian dwarfs and Saanens are perfect, as they have thick coats that help them withstand lower temperatures. If you have rocky or mountainous terrain, alpine goats are well suited, thanks to their strong legs and ability to climb steep slopes. Local breeds are often your best option, as they've naturally adapted to regional conditions. Always choose breeds that suit your specific climate and terrain for optimal performance. Nutrition. Goats are resilient creatures, but they need a balanced diet to thrive, especially in harsh conditions. Forage like hay, grass, and shrubs should form the core of their diet, as they are natural browsers rather than grazers. Ensure they get a variety of plants to stay healthy. During winter or droughts, supplement with higher protein feed, such as alfalfa or specially formulated grain. Goats also need access to minerals. Calcium, phosphorus, and salt are key to maintaining strong bones and supporting reproductive health. Fresh, clean water is non-negotiable even in cold climates. In areas with limited forage, consider providing mineral licks or trace mineral blocks to ensure your goats get the nutrients they need. Shelter. Proper shelter is crucial for goats, especially when dealing with extreme weather. In hot climates, goats need a shaded area with good airflow to keep cool. Simple structures like open-sided sheds with roofing can provide relief from the sun while allowing air to circulate. In colder regions, goats need insulated barns with thick bedding like straw to trap warmth. Raised floors help keep bedding dry, preventing health issues like hoof rot. Regardless of your climate, ensure your shelter is waterproof, windproof, and spacious enough to accommodate your herd comfortably. Regularly clean bedding and keep the area dry, as moisture can lead to infections. A safe, comfortable shelter will keep your goats healthy and stress-free. Preventing and managing diseases. Preventing and managing diseases is one of the most important aspects of goat care, especially in harsh conditions. Regular vaccinations are essential to protect goats from common diseases such as clostridial infections, tetanus, and pneumonia. Worming treatments should be given periodically, particularly in wet or damp environments where parasites thrive. Rotational grazing can also reduce parasite load. Regularly inspect your goats for signs of illness, such as drooping ears, lethargy, or changes in appetite. In cold or wet weather, be extra vigilant for signs of hoof rot and respiratory issues. Providing a stress-free environment, proper nutrition, and clean living conditions are crucial to preventing illness and ensuring your goats remain strong and resilient. Breeding for toughness. Breeding goats for toughness is about selecting animals that can thrive in harsh conditions. Look for goats that are naturally healthy, with strong immunity and resilience to local diseases. Focus on traits like adaptability to temperature extremes, excellent foraging ability, and high resistance to parasites. Does that have high fertility rates? Should be prioritized, as they'll provide strong offspring that inherit these valuable traits. Additionally, goats with a calm and cooperative temperament will make handling easier. Avoid inbreeding, as this can weaken the herd and reduce genetic diversity. Instead, introduce fresh genetics by purchasing strong, healthy goats from reputable breeders. Tough, adaptable goats can thrive under even the most difficult conditions. Water management in arid areas. In dry, arid climates, water management is vital for goat survival. Goats need access to fresh, clean water at all times, especially in hot weather. In areas with limited water sources, consider installing rainwater collection systems on your shelter's roof to store rainwater in tanks. Automatic waterers are also an excellent option, as they help conserve water while ensuring a constant supply for your herd. During droughts, supplement their water needs with mineral blocks, which can encourage goats to drink more. In freezing conditions, heated water bowls or tank heaters can prevent water from freezing, ensuring your goats stay hydrated even in winter. Proper water management keeps your goats healthy and hydrated year-round. Handling harsh winters. Goats can survive harsh winters if given the right care. First, increase their food intake during winter months as they need more calories to maintain warmth. Focus on providing hay, alfalfa, and high-energy grains to help them stay strong and warm. Insulated shelters are a must. Goats should be kept dry and protected from the wind and snow. Thick bedding, such as straw, will help retain heat. Additionally, provide heated waterers to prevent freezing and ensure constant access to hydration. For breeds with thick coats, such as Angoras or Cashmere goats, regular grooming is necessary to prevent mats and ensure they can trap heat effectively. With these precautions, your goats will thrive in even the harshest winter conditions. Grazing strategies in rugged terrain. Goats are excellent foragers, especially in rugged or mountainous terrain. To maximize the health of your herd and the land, implement rotational grazing. This means moving your goats between different grazing areas to prevent overgrazing and allow vegetation to recover. Goats naturally prefer shrubs, bushes, and even tree bark over grass, so ensure they have access to these resources. Also, make sure your terrain is fenced off securely, as goats are known for their ability to escape. Consider building high fences or goat-proof enclosures to keep them safe from predators. In rocky or difficult-to-reach areas, goats can help clear unwanted brush, making them invaluable for land management while keeping your herd healthy and active. Understanding their needs. Goats are social, intelligent, and curious animals, and understanding their behavior is key to raising them successfully. They form strong social bonds, so it's important to keep at least 2 goats together to prevent loneliness and stress. Goats are natural climbers and need opportunities to explore and engage in physical activities. Provide structures like platforms, logs, or tires for them to jump on. Goats are also known to be escape artists, so ensure your fencing is secure. They communicate through body language, such as ear position and tail movement, so learn to recognize signs of contentment, stress, or illness. By understanding your goat's behavior, you'll be able to meet their needs and prevent problems before they arise. Financial sustainability. Raising goats in tough conditions can be profitable if managed properly. Start by diversifying income sources. Milk production is a stable option, with goat milk valued for its nutritional benefits. Meat goats, such as boar goats, can be sold for meat, especially in areas with high demand. Fiber-producing breeds like Angora and Cashmere goats provide wool that can be sold to textile manufacturers. Additionally, goat manure is an excellent organic fertilizer, often in high demand. Consider selling breeding stock to new goat farmers or offering farm tours and educational workshops. Always maintain a balance between profitability and sustainability by managing resources wisely. A well-run goat farm can be both enjoyable and financially rewarding. Raising goats in harsh conditions may seem challenging, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it's completely doable. From choosing resilient breeds to mastering water management and disease prevention, You now have the tools to succeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow goat enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and happy goat farming!